In this lecture, we are going to start work on signal. As you can see, we have a similar structure. We are adding the background color and the setting the height of some blocks, right? So let's dive into the coding and see what we can do with this signal element. First, we need to target these three elements: signal low, signal medium, and signal high. If you can observe these three signals, they have the same width but different height, so we can actually target them like signal low, signal medium, and signal high. All we need is set its display property to inline block, and then we need to add the width, which should be 0.5 rem. After that, we need to add the height according to its level. Signal low will have low height 0.8 rem, and then signal medium 1.2 rem, and for the last signal we have signal high, and then height will be 1.6 rem. Now we have set the heights and widths according to our structure, this one. All we need is to actually add the colors, and for the colors we have made our utility classes: background, primary, secondary, and tertiary. We need to add another utility class for this grayish color: bg gray light background color set to color gray light. Now all we need is to add the our utility classes. In first signal we have primary, background primary, and let's have a look to the browser so that we can check it if it is working. As you can see here, we have a little dot here of the primary color. Then we need to add bg gray light here and here. Let's move to the next step. So we have bg secondary and bg gray light and bg gray light. We have bg secondary here. In the last one we have signals filled with colors: bg tertiary, and then we will add these to all of our signals: bg tertiary. As you can see here, we have successfully added our signal portion. All we need is some spacing like margin and align it into the center according to our design. So what we need here is to actually call the signal, which is this one, this main container of these signal elements. So I need margin bottom to be 1.5 rem, and I want those signals to be aligned in center. So yeah, it worked. I think that's enough for this lecture. I will see you in the next one.